In this session, we'll be solving some examples on probability, tossing 3 coins and 2 die. Let's have a look at the first example. Ahmed tosses 3 coins together. Find the probability that there will be 3 heads and so on. So first thing is we need to list all the possible outcomes. So now there are 3 coins here. So the total possibilities are 8. So you can have all 3 heads, 2 head and 1 tail. So HHT, change the position of T from third coin to second coin and the first coin. So it will be head, tail, head, tail, head, head. It is possible that you have only 1 head and 2 tails. So 1 head, 2 tail, change the position of head to second and third. So you have tail, head and tail, tail, head. And the last possibilities you have all 3 tails. So these are the total 8 possible outcomes or the sample space when you throw 3 coins together. The first one is, what is the probability of getting 3 heads? So probability of 3 head. So if you look at all the possible option, 3 head is coming only one time. So it is 1 out of 8. The second one, it says give a probability of 2 heads. So we need probability of 2 heads. So if you look at the possibilities, you have 2 head in this second option, third option and fourth option. So total 3 possibilities are there where you have only 2 heads. So it is 3 out of 8. The next one is probability of 3 tails. So if you look at the sample space, there is only one possibility where you get all 3 tails. So it is 1 out of 8. Now the next question is, find the probability of getting at least 1 head. At least means minimum. You need minimum 1 head. So you can have 1 head, 2 head or 3 head. So we can take all these possibilities. It has either 1 head, 2 head or 3 head. So this one has only 1, 1, 1. This is our minimum. It can have 2 head or it can have 3 head. So total possibilities are 7 options where you have at least 1 head out of 8. So the probability of at least 1 head is 7 over 8. The last one, it says find the probability of at the most 1 head. At most means maximum is 1 head. So the maximum is 1. So it can be 1 or less. Now I need to select the possibilities where it has only 1 head or less. So let's circle out the possibilities here. So only 1 head. So I have 1 head in this particular option. I have 1 head here, 1 head here. I can take these 3 and the last one also, because the minimum maximum is 1 head. So I can have 0 head also. So total I have 4 possibilities at the most 1 head. So I have 4 options where I have maximum 1 head out of 8, which can be simplified to 1 over 2. Second example, Razi throws 2 dice. Work out the possibility of scoring 2 4s, the same score, probability of exactly 1 4. So what we'll do is we'll try to complete the table of possibilities, and then from here we'll be able to answer the questions. Now here let's complete the table. So suppose the red die is giving you score of, can give you score of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. The blue die can give you a score of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So let's list the possibilities. The red is giving you a score of 1, and let's write all the possibilities for the red one first. So score is 1 here, 1, 1, 1 and 1. Then here it will be 2, 2, 2, so on. And let's complete the table. Now let's list the score for the blue die. The red gives you 1 and the blue will give you a score of 1. So 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1 and 6, 1. So like this we'll complete the full table. So it will be 2 here, 3 here, 4 in this one and 5 here and 1 more to go. So 6 here. So now our table of all possible outcome is complete, and we know the total possibilities are 6 times 6, that is 36 possible outcome. Now the first question is find the probability of scoring 2 4s. So if you look at the table, 2 4s is coming here. So there is only one possibility where you get both the score as 4. So this favorable outcome is only one time out of total 36 possibilities. So probability of getting 2 4s is 1 by 36. Next one is probability of getting same score. So you need the same score. Same score means both the dice are giving you the same score. So it is 1 1, 2 2, 3 3, 4 4, 5 5 and 6 6. So total possibility, if you count here, it is 1 2 3 4 5 6. So same score possibilities are 6 out of 36, which can be simplified further. Divide both by 6, you will get 1 over 6. Now the next question is a probability of exactly 1 4. So you need a score of 4 but only once. So in this column all the scores has 1, and in this particular row you have all the score of 4. Now but we need only one time. So here we have total 6 possibilities which has a score of 4, out of which we cannot take this because it is repeating twice. They want only 1 4. Same way in this column there are total 6 values which has 4, but we will ignore this one which is repeating twice. So if you count all the values, you have 1 2 3, ignore this one, 4 5 here, 6 7 8 9 10. So total we have 10 possibilities where you get score of 4 exactly once. So it is 10 out of 36. You can divide both by 2, so you will get 5 over 18. Now let's have a look at the next.